Hey, what's up guys? My name is George and this is SaaS Master. Today I'm going to show you how to create a video testimonial capture with FluentForms. What I'm going to use is Ziggeo. So you might know that Ziggeo is in a lifetime deal right now. So if you find this video helpful and useful, please consider buying with my affiliate link to buy Ziggeo lifetime deal. Alright, so what you're going to do is obviously open your Ziggeo account, your dashboard, and we're going to grab an HTML code. This HTML code that you're going to see, I'm going to put it in the description. So I got it directly from them, and what I'm going to do is just add my token to it. So once you have this code, we're going to head on over to FluentForms. We're going to create a brand new form, and we're going to get this contact form going, alright? So let's get this one. Even you can use some ratings on it. I'm not going to mess with all this because you know how to use it and you know how to customize it. But what I'm going to do is how to implement Ziggeo. So what I'm going to do is add a custom HTML button. So I'm going to put it around over here. And I'm going to click on it, and then I'm going to head over to text right here. So this is the HTML part. And I'm going to copy the code that Ziggeo provided me with. And like it says, add your token here. So I'm going to grab my token from Ziggeo. So in Ziggeo, I'm going to open my default application. I'm going to grab my token right here, and I'm going to paste it right here. So I'm going to replace this. All right, and there we go. So I'm going to save this, save the form, and I'm gonna preview it. I'm gonna show you how that looks. And now you got a form that's gonna work as a video testimonial capturing tool so that you can fill out the form like as you would anyways, your email, all that stuff. And instead of obviously saying subject and your message, you would say something else. And instead of saying some description about this, obviously you would explain what you want to do. Now, I'm gonna show you how this works. You clicks on record. You're gonna allow. Obviously, this also works on your phone, so you can send this out to your clients so you can get some capturing. Obviously, I got my camera blocked. There we go, and I can start recording. Remember, I'm in the preview mode, so this might look different. So you start recording. You know what? It might mess because I'm using my other camera, but as you can see, you would record. It would upload to the Ziggeo database. Let me close this. It would upload to the Ziggeo database, and obviously you got the email, you got the video testimonial capture using FluentForms. So it's super easy to do. You have way more customizability with this than you do with other apps that say that capture video testimonial. For example, I can add some text right here, even in the HTML, this visual part. So hey, please capture, oops. Whoa, that's really bad. Okay, please capture your testimonial. All right, you can put whatever you want. You could go a little more in depth, more information, so on and so forth. And we would even add the terms and conditions. Let me find those right now. Terms and conditions right here. So you make this a little bit more legal. In the terms and conditions, you could say, hey, you know what? I allow to use my video for publicity purposes, so on and so forth. Or maybe just a tick button with that instead of being this. It's pretty cool that you have this option and you're able to do with way more flexibility. Something that I found in other softwares is with video capture is that they're not in Spanish, they're not in other languages, and with Ziggeo, you can change it to the language you need, plus you build the form in the language that you're using. So that makes it really, really helpful. All right, so once you capture the videos, you're gonna view them over here on Ziggeo. So in Ziggeo, you head on over to videos, right here. They're gonna load. And here are my videos. So for example, this was a test video that I recorded the television, all right? And I can play it right here if I want. All right, I could download it, download the video. I can use Ziggeo's hosted pages to view it there. I can download it, embed it on my site. I can upload it to a CDN. I can do whatever I want with the videos once I capture them. So you use FluentForms to send out to your email subscribers that you want to capture the video testimonial. So it's pretty cool. I'm giving you that option. Remember, if you guys want to grab Ziggeo, the link will be in the description. It's an affiliate link. It won't cost you a single cent more. It just helps me out to show you guys what's capable. Thank you for watching. My name is George, and this is SaaS Master. See you guys later.